Hi guys! It's a glorious sunny day and it's amazing how sunshine can elevate your mood. So today I went to pick up this box from Amazon Locker and this will be a unboxing video. So this is a grow light and I'm quite excited because I have never used a grow light before in my plants. I prefer to take advantage of the natural light. Uh, As you can see, most of my plants are positioned in a place where they could get a good amount of light that they need. So on my windowsill, I've got my cacti and some of my succulents. And also my space that is by the window. And I have a group of plants here that is loving this spot. So I think I'm not going to move out any of these plants. As you can see, they are happy where they are. But as much as I wanted to take advantage of the natural light, my plant collection is growing. And so I have this huge plant that could use some supplemental light, especially now that we are coming towards the end of summer. So this is a Monstera deliciosa. But someone left me a comment in one of my videos saying that this plant actually is a Monstera borsidiana. And to be honest, I've never made a research. So for the meantime, it is a Monstera deliciosa. So it's a 2-year-old plant and I have about 4 in a pot, and this one here is still a young plant and I believe it was grown from seeds. As you can see, it doesn't have a slits yet. So when I got this plant, 3 of them were already producing this slits. So the problem is most of the leaves are trying to reach out for the source of light. And when this plant was still small, I used to bring it out and position it here during the day where it could get a good amount of bright light. But now that it has gotten really tall, I can't do it anymore. And most of the leaves that are from the back, well, anyway, this is a west facing window. And the problem is the leaves that are at the back here are beginning to get chlorotic. I actually chopped off about 3 leaves earlier. Just turned yellow, and yeah, so I thought I do not want the plant to lose all of the bottom leaves because of that. So I think it's time that it's going to get some supplemental light. So this is how it looks like, and it's got a big clump. Unfortunately, the cable is not very long, but that is very easy. I might need to use a extension cord for this. And guys, it's all wrapped in plastic. So in our daily lives, we are endlessly surrounded by plastics, and I think it's impossible to eliminate all plastics in our daily lives altogether. We can lessen it down, but just try to do your best. So this will go in a segregation bin. And so let's see. We can adjust the brightness, and it's got a timer, 12 hours, 6 hours, and 3 hours. So that is really good. And the switch is on here as well, and that's what I really need. So these are adjustable. You can put it down or up or which side you wanted it to go. Cool. I'm quite excited for my first grow light. So let's take these plastics off. And the good thing is these bulbs are replaceable as well. So once it stops functioning, I can just order another bulb. I don't have to get rid of the whole thing. That's what we want. Something that's gonna last for a long time. And this, I think should go here. So unfortunately guys, I tried my best to put it up there, but my extension cord is not very long, so I need to get another one. And this is not going to stay here permanently, but I just wanted to show you how cool it is. And it can go in all directions that you want. So I clamped it here in my shelf, and it's very sturdy. It's very strong. I really like it. So this is, that's the brand name, and it cost about £19.99, £19.99. So not bad. So it could go lower if you need to. It could go up, and I think you could turn it anywhere you want as well. As you can see from there. So this is 4 days later, and I finally managed to get an extension cord and placed my grow lights up there. And as much as I like the grow lights so much, the downside is that the main switch is attached to the clamp or to the main unit, which means this is not ideal for higher spaces like this one. I have to climb up there each time I wanted to switch it on. It would have been easier or clever if the switch is somewhere along here in the plug area. I'm not even sure if it's possible or safe, but yeah, that's what I need in this situation. And unfortunately, this one I think is beyond saving. Yeah, so I just wanted to put it out there. And also those tentacles were looking like aliens. That's why I tried to put some plants, some other plants up there as well to kind of cover the tentacles a little bit. Well, aside from that, I'm just hoping that it's gonna do its job. And I'm not going to continue losing those bottom leaves. And thank you so much guys for coming and watching my videos. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.